Hello English learners. Welcome back. Today, we have a new story about shopping. We will learn the names of clothes and how to talk to a shop assistant. Listen for the colors and the sizes. Let's begin. This is Tom. Tom is a student. Tomorrow, he is going to a birthday party. He looks in his closet, but he doesn't have a nice jacket. I need to go shopping, Tom thinks. He goes to a big department store in the city center. The store is very busy and has many beautiful clothes. Tom sees a shop assistant. Her name is Maria. Hello, can I help you? Maria asks. Yes, please, says Tom. I am looking for a jacket. What color would you like? I like blue or black, Tom answers. Maria shows him a beautiful blue jacket. This one is very popular, she says. Tom looks at the size. This is a small. Do you have a medium? Yes, here you go, Maria says. Tom goes to the changing room. He puts on the jacket. He looks in the mirror. The jacket is perfect. It is not too big and not too small. How much is it? Tom asks. It is £50, Maria answers. Tom is happy with the price. He goes to the cash desk. Would you like a bag? The cashier asks. Yes, please, says Tom. He pays with his credit card. Now, Tom is ready for the party. It was a very successful shopping trip. Did Tom find the right jacket? What is your favorite color to wear? Tell me in the comments. Like this video and subscribe for more stories. See you next time.